Eli and I are in the 360 blind, and right now we're covered up in a whole flock of turkeys and a couple of fawns. We only have, I think, two weekends left. Today's Friday. I think we only have 2 weekends left. No, February 2nd is the end of deer season here in Ohio. So we've had a couple of good bucks showing up in here on the food plot. It seems to be the only consistent food source that exists right now for these deer, so hopefully that holds true tonight. It's cold. I think it warmed up to like 18 degrees today. High pressure, sunny skies. Should be a good night. We've got the buddy heater going, so we're pretty nice and warm, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good. We're gonna settle in for the next few hours and see what deer show up.
A little too warm.
A little too warm. Better too warm than too cold. He's close. I think I would maybe shoot that deer if he came close enough. But they're walking away. Golly. Whoa.
Hey Dad, look, there's another one coming in.
Where?
See him back there by the apple fence.
I think that's the other big one, Eli.
There's one here, then there's that one, and then there's one up there.
Yeah, that is the other big one. That's the other one that I would shoot for sure. I definitely would shoot him.
Okay, Daddy, get your phone ready.
Just relax. We're not gonna rush, Eli. We're not gonna rush. We're gonna take our time. There's another deer in the bag. We're gonna let them all come in.
Is the big bucket ready?
We have 10 minutes. Yeah, he is.
Why don't you get a boat ready?
Because we're not gonna panic. We're gonna stay calm. Okay? We're gonna stay calm. Because I've got to open the window, and so we gotta be really calm, really patient. It's too dark in here, I can't see.
Oh, this could be my lucky day.
Just be patient.
I mean, my lucky day because I'm never. Okay, they're running away, so stop.
Are they running away? Hold that for me.
Yeah, one's starting to move.
Yeah, but the big one isn't. The big one's still standing there. I need to figure out how far away he is.
I'm gonna take a guess. It's probably about 50 yards.
40. chasing us right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get the window opened. I hope I can see my pins. Oh wow, that's not good.
This isn't my light. The big one is okay, right?
Yeah. What's he doing, Eli? Is he still eating?
Yeah. The big box head is down. And he's hurt.
I'm gonna go as slow as I can, okay? I can't see him though, my window's fogged up.
He's still eating. He's fine.
Can't shoot him yet.
What?
He needs to turn a little bit. Okay.
Is he right?
Yeah.
Right position?
He is. I just can't. He's not broadside. I need him to turn a little bit more. I gotta double check the time. We just have a couple more minutes. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Do I have to watch?
Yeah, I'll watch.
I can't see though.
You let me know when you're ready.
Okay, ready. You get him?
No, I didn't. I think I missed. I don't know. I don't know, Eli. It's okay, buddy.
You're gonna have to go look for the arrow.
Yeah, I expected my lighted knock to turn on and it didn't. Okay, while we still have some daylight left, let's go take a look. Okay?
Oh, I have to get off. Oh, stop.
Well, I got a shot at that buck. The real wide frame. And we're gonna go take a look while we have a little bit of daylight left. We're gonna go take a look and see if I can find the arrow. The lighted knock did not turn on for some reason. And it's so hard to tell in the blind what sound you're hearing. So we're gonna go take a look. Let's just zip it up. I found the arrow. It's laying down here. Broke off a good chunk of it.
Well, we shot a deer and we don't know if we got it or not, so we're tracking it right now.
Okay.
Whoa!
It's just the back of it. But it's covered in blood. Looks pretty good, Jake.
Okay, you hit him, Dad. We have to get moving.
Is that, what kind of hair is that in there? Is that white hair?
Looks pretty good to me. It's coated. That means you got pass through too, so you didn't get shoulder. Only problem it could be is no man's if he ducked.
Hey, Dad, look.
Yeah,
we
but I don't
found some
think-
on a stick. Right there.
Yeah, I don't think no man's land would have.
No.
There would have been a lot left sticking out, you know?
Go ahead.
You want to tell them what we're doing right now?
No, I already did a video.
You already did? I didn't even hear you. We're tracking this buck. we've got basically like 10 days left in Ohio's season, and I shot a deer with about three minutes left of legal, really wide frame buck, and we recovered what's left of the arrow, broke off. So I'm assuming the rest of it's still stuck inside of him. It's coated in blood. Obviously that blood's frozen. It's like 15 degrees right now, but coated in blood is a good sign.
You go ahead, Dad. It's pretty covered on that briar.
Oh yeah.
See all this in here?
There's blood.
This is all blood.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Where at?
See all this? This is all blood. Sprayed right here.
There.
So let's just follow that way? Yeah, which way do we go?
Follow his tracks. Look for his tracks, Eli.
I think they're right here.
That's got to be his left side. I don't see any tracks. I bet it's that way, Jake. One of those two, I bet.
This is pretty fresh here. Not plenty of blood.
Oh, you see? It's pretty fresh. And deer poop. But that was a doe. These things are weird.
I don't know that he
Maybe
turned.
not. Did he crash through that?
Yeah.
There's just no tracks unless he jumped. Because there's blood all the way up here.
Blood up here.
Is that blood? Right here?
That's blood.
This.
Right? No, I think.
Is that all the way up here, blood?
Is this blood?
It's gotta be. Yeah, right? It's just frozen.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
so.
that is for sure.
Yeah. So I think he went straight through all that stuff.
Alright, well.
Oh, we saw the turkeys and that one and 2 fawns. And then we saw some.
Does it still look alright?
That's blood, right?
Yeah.
And then we saw these ones. Then we saw the spot that this one was. Oh, that blood? I think I found blood.
Down there and over there too. There.
Oh, yeah.
That's much better.
Oh, yeah.
Much better. Eli. Yeah, much better.
It's pretty good, Jake.
Come here, Eli.
Yeah, he's coming.
Find blood?
Yeah. Look right here. See
What
all that?
on earth?
That's much better.
Oh yeah.
Now, whoa, slow down, slow down, slow down. We don't need to go super fast. We want to stay calm. Look at me. When we talk, we whisper because we don't know if he's dead yet. Okay?
How long ago was it?
2 hours.
Okay.
So we've got really the first good chunk of blood. He came crashing through a set of multifloral rows. And there's good blood here. We can see some more up ahead. So we're going to take up the track job at least for a little bit and just see what it continues to look like. This is a good sign to me. I'm gonna let Eli. He's got
Okay,
the big
all
light.
right. You
He's
go
gonna
with him, Jake.
follow it. Yeah, it's just a line of blood.
Just make sure it's not starting to fizzle.
Here's some.
You sure?
Yep.
Go check it.
I'm sure.
never seen blood do that before.
Yeah, that's weird.
It's so cold.
I almost think it's because it's low. It's just draining out of him, like low. And he must be walking. I don't think it'd do that. That is weird.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I mean, I think that's good blood.
You're not gonna be able to see bubbles because it's so close.
Yeah.
Hold the light.
Yes, please.
I mean, it's up to you. Is that, he smash into that tree?
Looks like it. That's definitely blood, and it's high and low.
Yeah. Alright.
Eli, you need something to cover your face.
You see it on the tree, Eli?
Who peed there?
Did you see that on the tree? There's blood here.
Who peed there?
I know.
Or does it go that way?
That's good. Does he go that way?
There's blood here.
Yeah.
See if there's any. Yeah, there's more.
It's getting cold. Can you?
No, keep
Yeah,
the
you
light.
keep going.
I
Keep going.
can't. My hand is so.
Well, switch hands and put your other one in
Both
your
of them
pocket.
feel the same.
Just a little more.
They both feel the same.
Where'd they go?
I think I saw one more.
I don't think so. I thought I saw some right there.
There's a little back there. Yeah, can you hold this?
No, just keep going.
Go a little more.
My hand hurts. Oh. Okay, that's good.
Turkeys.
We got him. We got him.
You scared me.
Good job.
Good find, Eli. Go pick him up.
No, I can't.
Good job, Jake.
Eli, do this. Hold on here. Warren. Might help you.
What do you think of that, Eli?
Whoa. He was bleeding from the mouth.
Where do you want me, Nick?
You good? Good job, Eli.
Nice.
What do you think of that, dude?
This is a nice one.
That's a wide buck, Eli.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome.
How many points you got?
You get to count them.
Count them up.
You can't count that high.
Go ahead and count them up for me.
Here, I'll point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
End pointer. Those are the kinds we want to grow.
You got to be with me when we killed him, huh? That's pretty awesome.
Finally.
Good job. You didn't go very far.
Here.
I really want to see where the shot was.
I got to see him head on.
Here.
Oh my gosh, look how wide that sucker
These
is.
are super warm.
Well, here he is. We waited until the 11th hour of this season to get it done. But I was so blessed to have my oldest boy, Eli, with me. How many deer did we see tonight? We saw quite a few. We saw quite a few. And then this guy strolled in, and he's been on camera over the past couple weeks. It's just a super wide frame, and I knew if he came in, I was going to take a shot, and it worked out perfectly. Followed a blood trail right to him within a couple of feet, and then we finally saw him.
No way, Daddy. It was not a couple of feet.
Well, you didn't see him within a couple of feet. You were just standing right over there. And now we get to sit behind him and enjoy him, don't we?
Mm-hmm.